Hey YouTube, got the bikes out. Got a package today I've been awaiting. So we're gonna open it up, see what we got inside. Couple of things in here. First thing I got a Pro Circuit shorty. This one actually doesn't look very short like the normal shorties do, but it is a shorty. You can see right there, factory R304 stainless shorty, Pro Circuit exhaust. And in here I have, it's gonna be hard to open with one hand. Rip this open, and here we have an FMF, factory fatty header. Go ahead and take the stickers off there. Always highly recommended to put a bead of silicone around the O-rings to make them last longer. Of course, you can do a prettier job than I did, but I feel like getting silicone all over my hands, so